So just taking a quick look at Polygon on the daily time frame, and as we can see, very much looking like we are consolidating down at the lows here very nicely. We've obviously got our big descending resistance that we've been under for some time. That breakout and that back test down into here to fill the wick at the lows. And as I've been saying, I do think this big W double bottom pattern that we've been seeing across the altcoin market is going to play out for Polygon as well. Very, very clear here to me. After this huge parabolic plunge to the downside, that big reversal, we come down. We're just consolidating at the low right now, but probably going to be coming up and filling this big gap here soon. Loads of empty space here that hasn't been filled. In my opinion, this area up towards the 0.23 Fibonacci at around 54 cents, pretty damn likely to be filled soon. Overall, I would say that this downtrend is pretty much over, and that altcoins are going to start reversing. We're seeing it all across the market. We've come down pretty much tapped into our bear market range low down here, as you can see, and now very much looking like we are basically under that resistance, breaking out again, and probably going to start reversing the trend back to the upside for Polygon soon. I do think the demand is going to come back in for Polygon going into the bull market. Obviously, lots of good stuff to come from them. I do think, obviously, a lot of people, lots of FUD and nonsense surrounding them at the minute, but I do think that that's all going to pass going into the bull market. Right now, we're basically just chilling and waiting to see what will happen next. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below, and like and subscribe for more.